The laundry services the whole of the NHS Greater Glasgow and Clyde geographical area. Caroline from Nest paid a visit to the laundry and spoke to my line manager, who's Kate Murray. Kate Murray passed that task to me to encourage the supervisors to participate in the pilot for digital skills. I think the biggest challenge is time. It's not always easy to get staff off to actually go into a PC. The other challenge has been encouraging the supervisors to believe in themselves that they can actually do this. There's statutory and mandatory training would be done via LearnPro. I've done the Learn My Way all the way through the ECDL to help encourage and support the supervisors going through this programme. The best thing about it is previous we would do face-to-face training. We would go to a venue and somebody fell and he would be there at the other side. They'd be telling us. Now we can actually access it ourselves, do it at our own pace, and that's been really good. It increases our confidence. The supervisors that I've spoke to seem to be quite enjoying it. They think that it's not as hard as what they thought it was going to be, and that's been a good thing because that's been my goal all along. If I can do it, anybody can do it.